Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the Garage Gym Junkie from GarageGymJunkie.blogspot.com. We are here presenting part number 5 to the warm-up room etiquette series. This one is for all those clowns out there. Everyone, including myself, has seen the person at the gym that just strolls in, goes to the power rack, sets up a straight bar. You think they're going to do something really impressive, like big rack pulls or something, and they start doing curls on the power rack. Okay, we all look at them like clowns. Well, in the warm-up etiquette room, this is what we call camping out. You don't want to camp out at the warm-up etiquette room. Everyone's got to warm up. These people are known for monopolizing a single platform. No one can join them. And then on top of it, they take too many warm-up sets. Or even worse, what we'll see is that they do heavier weights than they're going to do in the competition. What sense does that make to you? You want to warm up to the point that you're going to be good for the competition and get out of there. Don't stretch on the warm-up platform. Make sure you stretch before you get on there, and then use your time effectively. That effectiveness is actually going to bring you better competition results. And if you can snatch 300 kilograms, I don't want to see you snatch 325 kilograms in the warm-up room. It doesn't make any sense. Save it for the platform, if you ever heard that before. Again, this is the Garage Gym Junkie from GarageGymJunkie.blogspot.com. And tomorrow we will bring you part 6 of this series.